It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Lalisa. LILI's film, the movie. Yes. Her name is Lalisa. Yes. I'm still doing my my research. I'm still reading the comments. So thank you guys for giving me a lot of information that I need. So LILI's film is her YouTube channel's name. We reacted to Rockstar already. I will leave a link. I will pin that at the top of the screen when this reaction is finished. So please make sure you check that out. We also reacted to Blackpink, MV, print that as well. So I'm new to this type of music. Like I said, I'm new to this artist. I'm new to this group. So if you're new here, please support the channel by dropping a sub, and I would really appreciate that. All right. So let's jump in this one and see what the movie is all about.
Pull up, yo, pull up, pull up, pull up. Let's go, let's go, let's go again, 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 let's go again.
And I just want to say thank you guys for the tremendous love and support that you guys been giving the views and everything. Thank you guys. Let's go.
I'm a girl's girl, I'm a boss in a man's world. Yeah, I can pick and roll past ballerina twirl, skating.
No, we're not doing all that. Lily, we're not doing all that. No, we're not. We're not. Really? That's how you gonna start, girl? Shit! Yo! Yo, she's so good, yo. She's so good. She's so good. LILI's film, the movie. She is so good. I just want to shout out to the production team behind this one also. The production behind this one. The beat is crazy. Let's go into it more though. Let's go.
I'm a girl's girl, I'm a boss in a man's world. Yeah, I can pick and roll past ballerina twirl, skating through the city with my snapback on. Still be looking pretty with no makeup on.
She still be looking pretty with no makeup on. She's skating through the city with a snapback on. Shit, she's a boss in a man's world. You deaf?
A man's world. Yeah, I can pick and roll past ballerina twirl, skating through the city with my snapback on.
Yeah.
Still be looking pretty with no makeup on.
Natural.
Mama said marry a rich man. Oh no. And I was like, Mama, I am that rich man. Oh yo 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 yeah. Oh mommy, oh my.
Yo, she can dance. She can dance. This girl can move.
Oh no.
She got the moves.
Like, Mama, I am that rich man. Oh yo yo
Yeah.
yo yeah. Oh mommy, oh my God, how this girl gets so fly. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy. Oh mommy, oh my gosh, how this girl gets so fly.
Pull up, yo, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I just gotta do it. I just gotta do it. I'm sorry. I just gotta do it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just had to. I had to. I had to. She's going off.
I'm a girl. boss girl. I'm a boss in a man's world. Yeah, I can pick and roll past ballerina twirl. Skating through the city with my snapback on. Still be looking pretty with no makeup on. Her mama said marry a rich man. Oh no, and I was like, mama, I am that rich man. Oh, yo,
Ready, ready, dance, 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 dance.
How this girl gets so fly. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy. Oh my me, oh my gosh. How this girl gets so fly. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy. Solo riding, barely trying. They know to call me when they want to get it poppin'.
Yo, she's bad. She's a baddie. She is a baddie. This girl is a girl. This is the type of girl who she walks into the room and everyone just turns their head and just look at her. Everyone just wonder is that her or who is she? Everybody want to know. Woman and man want to know who that is. She is.
Barely trying. They know to call me when they want to get it poppin'. Sweet like some honey, but I always go hard. I don't like the drama, but I'll finish what you started. I'm making sure you get the memo. Yeah, I'll meet you up on any level. Yeah, independent, don't need help. I'm making sure you get the memo.
Yeah.
I'll meet you up on any level. Yeah, independent, don't need help. Underestimate me, you'll be playing yourself.
Shout out to the choreographer on this one. Shout out. The dance moves are crazy. Shout out to yourself.
Yeah, I'll meet you up on any level. Yeah, independent, don't need help. Underestimate me, you'll be playing yourself. Oh my me, oh my God.
Underestimated her, you've been playing yourself.
So fly, I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy. Oh my me, oh my gosh, how this girl gets so fly. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy.
Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Okay, credits, production team, choreograph, film director, producer assistant, performance. This is good. So everyone's getting their credit. It ends like a movie. It ended like a movie. It's good. I like it. Guys, thank you guys for the support in the comment section from the previous videos. Please do the same thing on this video. Also, if you're new here, please consider dropping a sub. Let me know which song, either from Blackpink or her solo career, I should react to. That is a must. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be here waiting. I'll be looking. All right, I'll see you guys down in the comment section. If you want, like I mentioned in the intro, if you want Blackpink, it's gonna be one of these two videos. Or if you want Lalisa by herself, it's gonna be one of these two videos. So click on them and go to the next reaction. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.